This is the all-new 2026 Ducati Desmo450 MX. With unmistakable Italian style, advanced engineering, and a fierce racing spirit, the Desmo450 MX is Ducati's bold step into off-road racing. The heart of the Desmo450 MX lies a brand new 449cc single-cylinder 63 horsepower engine featuring Ducati's legendary Desmodromic valve system, specially adapted for motocross. This unique technology, which Ducati famously uses on its MotoGP and Superbike engines, ensures precise valve control even at high engine speeds, delivering explosive power, razor-sharp throttle response, and a broad power band suited for aggressive track riding. To harness this power, Ducati developed an entirely new chassis. The lightweight aluminum perimeter frame is a work of art, designed with a minimal number of welds to enhance rigidity and strength. It's composed of cast, forged, and extruded parts, a technique honed in Ducati's Superbike program. This creates a frame that is not only incredibly light, tipping the scales at just 148 kilograms without fuel, but also provides the perfect balance of stiffness and calibrated flex. It's designed to give the rider precise feedback and the confidence to push their limits. Where the Desmo450 MX truly sets a new benchmark is in its electronics, a direct transfer of technology from the world of MotoGP. For the first time in motocross, this bike features a full suite of adjustable electronic controls. The Ducati traction control is a game changer, accurately measuring rear wheel slip to provide seamless intervention. It even knows when you're in the air over a jump and won't cut power unnecessarily. Add to that Ducati launch control for perfect starts, engine brake control to manage deceleration, and an up-only quick shifter. All these systems can be tailored through different riding modes, and with the optional Wi-Fi module and X-Link app, riders can create and upload their own custom settings directly from their smartphone. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a fully customizable racing tool. Every component has been chosen without compromise. A powerful Brembo braking system provides unparalleled stopping power. The fully adjustable Showa suspension, with its 49mm front fork, has been developed in partnership with Ducati to deliver maximum performance and control. It's all mounted on best-in-class Takasago Excel rims, wrapped in Pirelli Scorpion MX32 tires. The Desmo450 MX is more than the sum of its parts. It's the culmination of decades of engineering passion, now unleashed on the dirt. It's a statement of intent, born in Borgo Panigale, proven on the track, and built for a new generation of riders. The world of motocross will never be the same. Ducati has arrived. Born in Borgo Panigale Ducati Factory, precision meets passion. Every Ducati motorcycle is built in the brand's legendary factory in Borgo Panigale, Bologna, and the Desmo450 MX is no exception. From the powerful single-cylinder engine to the lightweight chassis and electronics, every part is carefully designed, machined, and assembled by Ducati engineers and technicians who bring the same passion that built the Panigale superbikes and multistrada adventure machines. Inside the Ducati factory, the Desmo450 MX takes shape on dedicated assembly lines. Skilled hands and cutting-edge technology work together to ensure every frame weld, suspension setting, and engine part meets Ducati's exacting standards. With the all-new 2026 Ducati Desmo450 MX, Ducati writes the first chapter of its motocross story, and it does so with power, precision, and unmistakable Italian passion. From the factory floor in Borgo Panigale to the start gates of Europe's toughest motocross tracks, the Desmo450 MX shows that Ducati is ready to compete, ready to innovate, and ready to win.